What if I told you that you can use only just your phone and a free AI tool to make money from the comfort of your home? You can use it to grow your business. You can use it to start a business. Like you'll be designing things for people. You can be creating brand adverts. Whatever it is, you can actually do it using your phone and an AI tool. That is what we want to talk about today. How I was able to get this brand advert. Like I use my phone. I'm not using any laptop, so that you will not say you don't have a laptop. Your phone can do that. So all these brand adverts you are seeing here, I did them using my phone and Nano Banana. That is the AI tool I want to talk about today, and it's totally free. So I'm going to share with you the prompt I use to be able to do this, and you can also refine the prompt yourself. All right. So if you're coming to our channel for the first time, thank you so much for coming and thank you for watching. Please do it to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to our channel. On this channel, we talk about everything that will help you to be able to earn money, to save money, to invest, to budget, something that will just help you to become financially free. Everything around AI, tech, that's what we talk about on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so let's get into. Okay, so this is how I did it using Google Gemini. Just go to Google and type Google Gemini, or you download the app from your Play Store if you're using Android. If you're using an iPhone, you download it from there. Then you go to Google Gemini. This is Google Gemini app. Just tap on it. Then go to here and tap on this banana here. See it? Let me go to new charts. Go on create image. You can see this here, Nano Banana, right? I click on create image and you paste your prompt, whatever it is that you want. You paste your prompt here, tell it whatever it is that you want. You want somebody who is holding tiger nut, you want somebody who is holding soap. Maybe you are selling a soap. What you just do is to bring down your soap, snap it, upload it here. Then your picture, you want it to resemble you, just upload your picture. That's exactly what I did in all these ones I showed you now. And you paste it here and voila, everything will be done. Okay, so let me show you an example. To go and attach the pictures or the images I want to use to do these brand adverts, right? So you can see everything I said. Ensure that the face of this woman did not change, keep the face the same, make it look real, do nothing else. Like all the instructions I said, do it and nothing else. So I have attached my picture, then I'm attaching the tiger knot I want it to hold, because in the prompt I said I need you to make me to be holding this tiger knot in one of my hand, and then you can see it here. So after this, I say sipping the tiger nut drink from a branded glass cup, and then holding the tiger nut bottle in the other hand. The tiger nut bottle image is attached here, and the name of the brand is Exotic, and add artistic shadows. Like everything I just wanted to do, I stated it there, and you can see it. This is so amazing, like so amazing. Don't even take time, you can just click on it. You can see my arrow here, just click on it, bam, and you download it to save directly into your phone. Like you don't need to start going to the studio, you don't need, just with your picture or with your client's picture, and just be creative. You just need creativity for you to be able to achieve. All right, thank you so much for watching to this point, and I believe you learned something that will help you to be able to make money, start up your own business or grow your own business, the one that you already have, or even apply for jobs using it. If you learned something from this video, please do well to comment and share with us in the comment section what you learned, and also like it so that more people will see it, and you can also share so that more persons will see it and learn how they can all become financially free. Thank you and see you in our next video, and bye.